Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adjusting your default post privacy settings in the Flickr mobile app. This feature allows you to control who can view your photos by default, ensuring your content is shared according to your preferences. First, open the Flickr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the three dots at the top corner to open more options. Then select Privacy and Safety from the menu. After that, tap on Default Privacy to view your privacy options. Now, choose your preferred default privacy setting: Public, Friends and Family, Friends, or Family. By following these steps, you've successfully set your default post privacy in the Flickr app. Remember, any new photos you upload will adhere to this default setting, unless you choose to adjust the privacy for an individual photo. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.